How to see poll results on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see poll results on Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget that you can find the sign up link and website links of Snapchat in the description of this video. So basically, if you want to create a poll, you must take a picture of whatever you want to make it, and in the right part they're gonna have different options. The third one is like the sticky notes, and there you're gonna find in the upper part the poll. Okay, so unfortunately Snapchat only allows users to create polls with two answer options. Okay, however, you can send out additional polls to cover more options or use another platform like Instagram or a different app to make some polls for Snapchat. But by now, let's try to make this one. The question could be, do you like it? And now click on next. Oh, sorry, I didn't add it. What happened? Poll. Okay, I'm gonna write whatever. Checked. Okay, you can move your poll whatever you want. Click on next, and now this is going into my story, and this is ending and added to my story. So in this same screen, in the left bottom part, I'm gonna open my gallery, and there I'm gonna find the posts that I've done. I guess that if you want to see the results of your poll, you must wait at least one day in order to your story to finish and the poll results to be over, and also to send this poll to another users on Snapchat. Because if I try to make this into I made this like previously, but I don't have any votes by now with this account. Even if I try to vote, I'm gonna see like the difference between those two votes. But if you wait an entire day, you're gonna find the option to view your poll results. Okay, that's it. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can see your poll results on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.